Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the features that let Google Assistant answer while locked. First, open Assistant settings and turn on voice match or lock screen voice access. This lets the Assistant recognize you. Make sure microphone permission is granted and enable Bluetooth if you rely on a headset. Once done, practice the exact wake phrase. Say, "Hey Google," wait a beat, then speak a simple command. This initial step is why Assistant can respond without unlocking, because your profile and now you perform the actual locked phone interaction. Say the wake phrase, pause, then give a concise command like set timer 10 minutes or what's the weather. You can ask for directions, make calls, or send messages depending on your settings. Make sure your phrasing is direct. Long, complex requests may trigger an unlock prompt. Also, understand which actions are blocked. Anything involving sensitive data, payments, or account changes will usually require you to unlock the device first. To finish, confirm the Assistant completed the task by listening for a verbal response or checking the lock screen notification. If a command is blocked, check voice match accuracy and that microphone and lock screen voice access remain enabled. Sometimes updates reset these settings. If recognition keeps failing, restart the phone, retrain the voice model, and try in a quieter environment. One key troubleshooting tip: always retrain voice match after a major system update. It often fixes persistent locks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.